have any idea what this is? This is where I used to work as a field engineer, far away from the hustle and bustle. I spent most of my career here, surrounded by this beauty, but missing out on family moments. And I loved my job at first. I worked really hard and gave everything for this job, but then COVID arrived. Pandemic made everything worse. I was away from my family for an extended period of time. And it made me realize something crucial. What is the point of making money if you cannot be with your loved ones? I decided to find a change. After months of research, I discovered a way to make money from the comfort of my home. And that's when I came across affiliate marketing and I took a $7 training course. Was I skeptical at first? Absolutely. Trust me, as engineers, we tend to overanalyze and overthink a lot of things. But I was so determined for a change, so I gave it a shot. After 8 months of dedication, I was able to say goodbye to my boss and that job, and I started working from home, as you can see. And if you follow me, then you already know just 8 months ago, we welcomed our first daughter into this world. And now I get to play and be with her every single day, knowing that I will always be in control of my time and schedule. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, follow and comment change below for my free 7-step guide.